Once a user logs into S.M.A.R.T, it will land on the My Account page. My Account page has information about the user. It shows the username, the date that the system was registered, the last modified event that happened in the system, and any information of the user that can be modified if there's a pencil next to it. From here, you can see on the top left the name of the application. As you can see, there are hover texts. When you hover over a certain area, a short description on the bottom will show you exactly what will happen when you click it. For example, if I click on this, it's going to collapse or expand the sidebar. On the left here, this is the eye which will refresh the page. By clicking on this here, it's going to refresh the page. Sometimes, it might kick you out of the system and make you log back in again. On the top right side, there are two arrows. These arrows indicate whether or not Device Manager is connected. If connected, the arrows are white. If not connected, the arrows are gray. Next icon to the right is the Help section. If you click on it, it will allow you to visit the knowledge base or the online knowledge forum. Additionally, you have the option to turn on or off the hover text or help tips. To the right, there are notifications. Any new publications or updates pertaining to a customer level will be displayed here. By clicking on this area here, it will open up a knowledge base page or link to explain more details about the release. To the right, this will display the user logged into S.M.A.R.T. As you can see, you can go back to the My Account page or log out. On the left sidebar, there is the Home page and Shipping page. The Shipping page allows the user to actually ship from S.M.A.R.T. It will have all details pertaining to the shipment, and you can select your addresses, accounts, and charge-offs. This is also where you will process the shipment. Under the Shipping page is the Mailing tab. Once you click on the Mailing tab, it is going to attempt to connect to the mail machine. For this example, it did connect to the mail machine, which will allow you to process mail. There are certain tasks you can do in this section, depending on what your situation is. Next, select Transaction History. This page will display all the transaction history pertaining to that user. On the right side, there are more details on what you can do in case you need to modify each transaction. Next, select Reports. This will display all the reports available in S.M.A.R.T. You can select Define New, Summary Reports, or Activity Reports depending on what the user is looking for. The next two buttons are Tools and Settings. These buttons can be controlled by an administrator or user management. If you click on Tools, you can access the Address Book or Device Manager. These two areas can be controlled by a user management, which means these could be hidden or removed from the page. Under Tools, there is Settings. This gives you the option to select your device preferences or mailing system settings once the system is connected. Last, there is the Help tab. This gives you the option to again visit the knowledge base or community forum, call technical support, or access information about S.M.A.R.T.